My dear homeopathy lover, I am Dr. Anwarul Hoque from Magrahat. Today we learn together a homeopathy medicine, Belladonna. First I discuss its introduction, pathology, sphere of action, guiding symptoms, mental symptoms, at last relationship. The introduction. Belladonna. Belladonna is a nightly dead shade, proving by Sir Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, Solanaceae group its. Belladonna was known as to the medical profession as early as 1500 AD, but its full therapeutic value was not realized until it was patentized and proved by Dr. Hahnemann. The word belladonna is a combination of two Latin words, bella donna, which means beautiful lady, the Ventian ladies. The olden days used this plant as a cosmetics to brighten their eyes and flush the cheek due to the property of the alkaloids, atropine and belladonna. It was Hahnemann deep insight which could find out the immense curative value of this alkaloid, transform them into a marvelous medicine through the process of potentization. Belladonna is one of Hahnemann polycrest, which was its paramount utility in acute and violent condition. It is one of those medicine without which we might needed to close our shop, close our chamber. Belladonna is one of Clark ABC neuresis, others being aconite and chamomilla. While belladonna causes turmoil in the brain, aconite and chamomilla cause turmoil in the circulation and temperament respectively. Sphere of action. Its chief center of action is cerebrum, from where it radiates its influence upon the entire organism, brain and its membrane, cardiovascular system, heart, lung, mucous membrane of eyes, mouth, throat, skin, glandular structure are also not spread. Pathology of the belladonna. Its action on brain and its membrane and various organs produce a state of congestion everywhere in the body, leading to inflammation, delirium, illusion, delusion and hallucination and mania. General hypothesis of the both sensory and motor nerves, resulting in congestion of the blood vessels, heart, consequently reflex symptoms are produced. Constitution of the belladonna. Physical makeup. Since belladonna is more or less an acute remedy, there is no serious importance to be attached to its constitution. However, it is adapted to bilious plethoric person with red face and to a condition in them of the local plethora, inflammatory state with throbbing pain and redness, and also those having lymphatic constitution with fine complexion and delicate skin. Temperament is bilious, lymphatic, nervous temperament. Relation with heat and cold. Belladonna patient is very chilly patient. Belladonna psora is the miasmatic background. Diastasis is tubercular diastasis. Some important guiding symptoms of belladonna. Belladonna is predominantly a right-sided remedy. Number 2, acute and sudden and violent. Acute, sudden and violent onset is very characteristic of this drug. This aspect of symptoms is invariably present in their disease regarding belladonna. Congestion, the keynote of belladonna. Congestion, the keynote of belladonna. Tension is a keynote of aconite. As a result of its action of the brain, a state of active congestion and produce. Active congestion is produced, resulting in furious excitement, irritability, convulsion, delirium and pain. Consequently, there is flushed face, throbbing carotid, hard and bounding pulse, rash of blood to head with delirium, congestion cause redness of the face and eyes, rush of blood of the head and face, throbbing brain and carotid, redness. The other keynote symptoms of belladonna. Belladonna is a very characteristic. Arising from the congestion, there is a great redness of inflammation part, and particularly as in general all over. The skin is very red and shiny. Smooth redness of the surface occurs over the whole body. Heat is a keynote symptom of belladonna. Yet another particularity, due to the congestion, there is great heat, especially of the congestion and inflammation of the part. The heat is so severe that the affected part imparts burning sensation to the examination hand, and the physician is reflexively compelled with withdraw his hand. Burning, the another keynote. Sensation is another characteristic of belladonna. There is a intense burning anywhere and everywhere, both internal and external, such as skin, brain, mouth, throat, tonsil, stomach, liver, etc. Number 7. Sensitive to touch of affected part. Sensitive to touch of affected part. Well marked in this great remedy. Cannot bear to touch anywhere. Cannot bear to touch anywhere. Great dryness run through the whole of the drug. The dryness often associated with heat, redness, burning, throbbing. Along with the above sign of inflammation, swelling or edema are also found. The affected part is swollen, shiny, red, hot and sensitive to touch. Belladonna is a great pain remedy. The characteristics of the which are pain comes suddenly and lastly, indefinitely and goes away suddenly. Pain is usually short attack. Burning and throbbing characteristics of the pain with redness of the face and eyes, flushes of the head and throbbing of the carotid. Pain run from above head downwards, silicea gelsemium. The pain is very much sleepy. The pain is very much sleepy but cannot sleep. Belladonna patients are very much entertaining, jolly, well behavior and social when they are well, but become very violent and often delirious when they fall sick. The belladonna patient sweat as if found is only the cover part. Generally, the patient is not thirsty, especially in fever. The complaint of belladonna patient are aggravated by touch, jar and motion, draught of air, heat of sun, after 3 p.m., lying down, uncovering, ameliorated by rest, standing, sitting erect in a warm room. The mind symptom, important mind symptoms of belladonna. Belladonna is an excellent remedy for delirious condition brought on by cerebral congestion. The cardinal mental symptoms are as follow. Great excitement and violence run through the whole mental sphere of the wonderful remedy. The patient is very delirious with constant cerebral congestion. Belladonna is one of the trio of delirium remedies the others being Hyoscyamus and Stramonium. There are many other remedies having delirium, but these three top of list. The most characteristic feature of the Belladonna delirium is compared to those other two of trio in the decided evidence of the upgrades of the blood and brain when the other symptoms are present. Throbbing of the carotid and head, redness, congestion of the face, conjunctiva passes away. With the delirium also subsists and important however. Belladonna may have delirium with pale face also. There are seen some cases. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you. I hope I meet again next video. Thank you.